Meet Kevin, a dedicated operations manager. He spent his days keeping everything organized and up to date. Kevin's work was essential, but it felt like an uphill battle. His continuous task of assigning and collecting assets led to a flood of email follow-ups and scattered conversations across WhatsApp groups. He struggled to maintain an audit trail for all asset changes, making compliance and accountability in financial reporting. He had no alerts or notifications to remind him for upcoming maintenance needs. Consistently, keeping accurate records of all workplace assets constantly challenged him. Day by day, the pressure added up, and Kevin worried he'd miss something important. Each task had the potential for an oversight, making his job feel overwhelming. Not just Kevin, but entire teams like admins and IT, operating across multiple workplace locations, they often need help with the complexity of managing a wide range of workplace assets in real time. Once Kevin's company integrated AssetX, the smartest asset management software powered by UrSpayce, his work transformed. Kevin now had a single platform that brought everything he needed together. A single dashboard provided real-time visibility over the entire asset portfolio, allowing him to track ownership, status, and depreciation, all in one centralized platform. He gets automated maintenance reminders and the ability to manage the entire asset lifecycle effortlessly. UrSpayce AssetX solves its biggest pain points by offering easy asset categorization for purchasing, renting, and leasing. By scanning barcodes, he can instantly retrieve asset details, whether allocating assets or tracking them across departments. Kevin is empowered with up-to-the-minute insights, whether for IT and non-IT assets. UrSpayce AssetX. Keep everything organized, ensuring seamless asset management at your fingertips.